Hi everybody, hope it's going well. Here's our next food demo from the MGH Food Pantry. We're going to be making a ribbon salad, which is really great because you can use all your zucchini and summer squash raw. This one also includes some carrots. So literally all you need to do is make some ribbons. So this carrot has already been peeled, and you're simply then going to take your peeler and run it down the length of the carrot, making some nice and relatively thin kind of ribbons. Not too thick, you want them to be easy to eat. So that's kind of how you do the carrot. Same thing for the zucchini, but a little bit, just a teeny bit different technique. Is you want to take the zucchini, make the first slice. I usually get rid of that one. And then as you're going down, catch a little bit of that green in your ribbons when you're first going down the zucchini. Once you get all the way around, go back and make some thin ribbons until you start to see those seeds, and then you can stop and discard the seeds. All right, once you have everything all shaved, you can throw it all into a bowl. I usually make the ribbons right into the bowl. See, when you catch some of the skin, it looks really pretty. This is a combination of carrots, summer, and zucchini squash. So once you got it all in that bowl and tossed it around a little bit, you're literally going to add as much or as little as you like of some parsley. You can also use basil and tarragon or any combination of those herbs that you like. Dill might be good. You can make your own dressing with a little lemon juice and olive oil. I personally always have a little bottled Italian vinaigrette around that I simply throw over the top. I always like to add a little bit more pepper because I think it tastes good. If I can get the pepper top off here. All right, well, we'll do big pepper on the top. There you go. But folks, add some pepper. It makes it taste really good. Might not need any more salt if you're using a bottle dressing. If you're not, add some to taste. And then simply toss the salad around. Get those herbs all mixed in. Get the dressing coated. I can just tell by looking at this, it's a little dry. Zucchini takes up a lot of sauce. It kind of absorbs it. Simply toss this around and you are all done. It's nutritious, high in fiber, and then you're going to stick it in the fridge.